So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 3 questions to answer on the topic electric field. So guys, this video will be about electrostatics, so ensure to stay till the end of this video. So let's quickly go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, formation of hydrogen bubbles at the copper plate of a primary cell is called A. Polarization, B. Electrolysis, C. Local action, D. Back EMF. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's polarization. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. And that's question number 2 here. It says, a positively charged glass rod is placed near the cap of a positively charged electroscope. The divergence of the leaf is observed to A. Decrease, B. Increase, C. Remain the same, D. Increase and collapse immediately. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's increase. The divergence of the leaf will actually increase, and that is for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 3 here. It says, when the pointed end of an uncharged optical pin is brought near the cap of a positively charged electroscope, it is observed that the gold leaves A. Collapse slowly, B. Diverge rapidly, C. Vibrate, and D. Are not affected. So guys, when the pointed end of an uncharged optical pin is brought near the cap of a positively charged electroscope, the gold leaves will collapse slowly, and that's option A here. So that's it for this question, guys, and this is where we'll end this video for today. So if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.